Breaking news. Scientists have dug up another dinosaur. And this time we have the Zhongyuansaurus. And it's got more armor than a medieval knight.
Ugh, not again? Can't a dino get some privacy? Doctor, every 100 million years, someone digs me up and starts talking about me like I'm a celebrity. It's exhausting.
You're more famous than the T-Rex. You don't even have to try.
Check out my armor. I'm the Fashion-Saurus of the Cretaceous period.
Ooh, Zhongyuansaurus. You're killing it with that tail. Move over, T-Rex. There's a new style king in town. Scientists found Zhongyuansaurus's bones scattered around. No full skeleton, just bits and pieces. It's like someone was playing a dino puzzle without the box cover. Oops.
Oh, great. I just got the tail, but where's the rest of the dino? Maybe it went on vacation.
Swallowtail-shaped booty plates. Talk about a dino fashion statement. Move over, Paris. The Cretaceous runway is here.
Eat your heart out, T-Rex. I've got armor and style.
Yeah, good luck trying to say Zhongyuansaurus junchangi without turning into a human sneeze.
Bless you, Fossilo. Can we just call it Z-Dino from now on?
Oh no, we've discovered so many bones, we might need a new continent to store them.
So kids, remember, in the world of dinosaurs, there's always something wild to discover. Bye-bye for now. Please like and subscribe.